All right, welcome to another episode of Bodycam Reactions. This episode, the lady was involved in some drama. She totaled her car. She starts flipping out, starts cussing at the police. Just high energy. She's been drinking, that kind of situation. Very interesting legal issue that I'll talk about in the middle of this. And then towards the end, I'll talk more about the drama that led up to this accident. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think.
Ma'am.
Baby,
Ma'am.
baby, come outside.
Gotta open the door, kid.
Priscilla, you gotta come out.
Ma'am. Ma'am, are you injured?
Are you okay?
Ma'am, are you injured? Ma'am, are you injured?
I gotta get going. Are you okay? I am, but I need
Ma'am.
to...
Ma'am, step to the back of the car, please.
Right.
Ma'am.
Okay, all right.
Ma'am. Come to me. Come to me. I'm the police officer. Ma'am. Ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am. Ma'am. What happened? What's the matter? Come here. Come here. Come here. What the hell's wrong with you? Nope. Not doing that. Seven or eight. Step it up. I have a hysterical female. Possible 450 here. Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am. Get out of the car, please.
I don't want to.
Okay, well, it's a car accident right now. The car.
Yeah, well, I don't feel safe.
You don't feel safe? Why? Why? Ma'am. Ma'am. What's that? Ma'am,
I'm
you
getting
said.
my lawyer.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever.
You're not entitled to a lawyer at a motor vehicle stop.
Excuse me? What did you just
You're not,
say to me?
you're not entitled to a lawyer at a motor vehicle stop.
I'm not entitled to a lawyer.
No, you're not.
Headquarters to all units at that MVA. Got a second 911 call. One vehicle is supposedly attempting to leave, and one party unconscious. We have PRS dispatched already.
6 to headquarters. I have one car right now, one female driver, no other vehicles in sight. Nobody fled upon my arrival unless I fled
I'm not
beforehand.
entitled to a lawyer. The secret cop says I'm not entitled to a lawyer.
Ma'am, can you step out, please?
No, I'm not going to step out. I don't feel safe, so shut the
Ma'am, step out,
An
please.
Audi and a Tesla.
Ma'am, step
That's
out,
one of
please.
them. It's just a
Ma'am, step out,
bystanders.
please. Ma'am, step out, please. That's gonna work. Here.
Forget about that. So, help me with this. Help me less.
That
White car.
I think it's like her boyfriend.
Everyone, of course, yeah.
They must have been fighting or something. Because they were screaming
331,
over here and
2159.
House reaches and purple flying.
Do you know what she did? You didn't see anything, no.
No.
She's the driver. She hopped over. She wouldn't get out of the car. She's trying to call a lawyer. I'll stand over here because she's going to try to get out.
7 1/4 red on the Tesla on scene is going to be X-ray 70 Papa.
Ma'am, hop out, please.
Sierra
No,
uniform.
I'm not going to hop out.
Step out. Come on.
No,
Ma'am, please step out.
2159.
I can't step out. Wait for my lawyer.
Okay, we'll wait for your lawyer, but step out, please.
Thank you. No, I can't.
Ma'am, step out.
I can't.
Why?
Because I don't feel safe.
You have to step out. Ma'am, step out, please. Ma'am.
I don't want to talk to them. No, I don't want to.
You hang up the phone?
No, I can't hang up the
You
phone.
have to hang up the
You
phone.
have to wait.
I have to wait?
Yes, you do.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Your
Are you
car?
Edgewater?
We are at
They're
Fort
Edgewater.
Police. That's correct. Just so you know, this it's being recorded, okay? It's all on body cam.
Send a cop to...
No, we're not
No.
sending a copy.
He
He
said
said
no,
with
because he's
you.
an asshole.
Okay.
Okay, he got us
You have
something.
your
You
ID
want to
on you?
listen, right? He doesn't want to listen.
Do you have your ID on you?
Ma'am, let's start with this. What did
Can
you
I
hit?
talk to a lawyer again?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
He doesn't want to. He said no.
Ma'am, what did you hit?
I am out of the car.
So this is a really interesting case. You can see there's this legal battle back and forth between the driver and the police. And the police, they think that she's not entitled to a lawyer, and she thinks she is entitled to a lawyer. The police reasons was she's not entitled to a lawyer because it's a vehicle stop. So I don't think he doesn't completely understand when you're entitled to a lawyer. So when you're in a custodial interrogation, they're supposed to read you your rights, including you have the right to an attorney once the custodial interrogation starts. So custodial means a reasonable person believes that they're not free to go. An interrogation is any conduct that the police know or should have known was likely to elicit incriminating response from the subject. So the police are half right, and he's saying they're not entitled to a lawyer at a vehicle stop. Like they can ask you basic questions like what's your name, your identification, registration, insurance, because that's not inherently incriminating, right? So it's not really an interrogation necessarily, at least under the law. But once they've crossed it over into asking you, have you been drinking, how much have you been drinking, stuff like that, now they've crossed over into the police should know that it's likely to elicit an incriminating statement, and I think she would be entitled to a lawyer. So the exact moment, I mean, I would say definitely when they're asking you all these questions that could incriminate you, you should be entitled to a lawyer at that point. And you can see the police officers are not even quite sure about what they're saying because they're just kind of like, they're just like standing there and asking questions, but not really forcefully moving the situation forward. But yeah, this is a really interesting legal issue in this case that came up.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
I don't want to do anything. Please.
Where you want to go?
Joseph, I don't want anything, please. I fucked up my car. They don't care. They're being assholes.
Send you a plate on chat.
Ring and colon.
V1, you came in on
I
reasonable.
need you to step away from the car, okay?
No, I'm going to
Step
stay
away
here.
from the car.
Do not touch
Step away from
me.
the car.
Do not touch me. I
Step
feel
away
safe
from the
here.
car.
Thank
No,
you.
you're gonna get put in
Do not
handcuffs.
touch me. Do not touch
You
me.
get put in handcuffs. Step away
No.
from the car. You're in the roadway. You
I'm
need to
next to
step
my
away
car.
from the car now.
Step away from
I'm
the
not
car.
doing
Come on.
anything.
We're gonna ask you one more time to
I'm
step
right
away
in
from
front
the
of
car.
the cross-country. The cross-country.
Step away from your car. You're in the roadway. If you don't step away
I'm not
from
in
the
the
car,
roadway.
yes, you
I'm
are.
on the sidewalk
Step
right
away
here.
from the car.
Don't touch
Away
me.
from
Don't
the-
touch me.
Thank you.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
You piece of shit.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I'm in front of the CVS pharmacy.
How much you had to drink tonight, man?
You, I got assaulted, you piece of shit.
By who?
Yeah, okay, whatever.
If you started with that, we wouldn't have a problem, would we?
You know what? Off. You don't know who I am.
You didn't tell us.
I don't have to tell you shit.
do, though.
Wait for my lawyer.
You don't have to wait for a lawyer.
Yeah, you do. You do have to wait for a lawyer, asshole. You do.
Chat. Constantly involved.
I did, but they don't care that I got
Like buying stickers, sword, close the seat.
shit.
Who assaulted you? There was a guy in a white car here who came up and tried to help.
48 headquarters.
She spoke to him like they were dating or something.
Trend 48.
I thought he was the one she hit.
I'm gonna need a rig here for alternate mental status.
You promise.
So,
alcohol?
What's that?
Smell alcohol?
I really don't think the airbags are gonna kill her.
Her wallet's right there. See?
Okay.
And see who this comes back to first. If it comes back to her.
No, I don't want to talk to them. They're assholes. I'm standing there on the side.
Receive 48, we're calling you Troy. Stand by.
No, no, no.
47 X1. Transport 7. Be advised, we're going to need to host this location soon for a Tesla Model X. 10-4. You need speedy dry or anything over there?
Yeah, I mean, this is interesting because, like, remember he's like, no, you have to talk to me. Basically, that's what he's saying. She's like, no, I'm going to wait for my lawyer. So Fifth Amendment, if the right to a counsel is invoked, police may not question the victim about any crime without presence of the counsel. So that's as I was talking again once the custodial interrogation starts. But you notice they're not really sure about what they're saying, right? Because if they were sure, they would just, put her in custody, throw her in the back of a police car and not listen to what she's saying. But because they're kind of unsure, they're just kind of like sitting there doing nothing, which is kind of interesting. It's almost like the suspect knows more than the police in this case, which is kind of interesting because they don't really have a response, right? She's like, no, you can't talk to me. I'm waiting for my lawyer. And they just kind of walk away and they're like, what should we do here?
Negative. 7, Jeff notified, responding. Dr. Steve, can you also run the RO of that Tesla ACS radio? 10-4, you gave dispatch the plate number. I was in the lobby speaking to somebody. Affirm, it's going to be X-ray 70 Papa Sierra.
Stand on your computer.
Thank you.
There's a license plate that they witnessed possibly the boyfriend was here when he took off. She could have hit his car. They're saying she was driving.
Oh, this was her, yeah. There was a guy here in a white crush. He was talking to her like they were dating. And they left. Don, okay, you assaulted her and you were arguing like chasing each other? Yeah.
Can't help you if you don't tell us what happened.
4-8, shortly, ambulance will be responding.
Fuck bullshit, you asshole.
You're helping yourself out doing
Yeah,
that.
whatever.
How old are you? 40? That's how you act?
Yeah, I do. This is a big.
I understand.
Yeah, I know.
You want to be seen by the ambulance?
Fuck
They're here for you.
No.
No? You're refusing medical attention?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not injured, right?
I might be injured, but
Well, if you're refusing medical attention...
you know what? Shut the up. Get the out of my face.
I'm not in your face.
Alright, whatever.
We're here
Don't
doing
talk
our
to
job,
me.
okay?
Don't talk to me. Oh,
Okay.
he's my lawyer, asshole.
Okay. Priscilla here was involved in this accident. Doesn't really want to talk to us. Who are you? Who are you? What's that? That doesn't answer the question. Who are you?
Hello.
So this is an EMT. She's here to
How you
speak to you.
doing? I'm an EMT. Can I help you?
Can I just talk to someone? Thanks, I appreciate it. Thanks.
What do you want to do?
I just want to to talk to someone.
You want to talk to me?
No.
Did you get hurt?
I don't know. I
You're
have
in
a
this
headache.
car?
Yeah.
What are you waiting for? Family to get here?
My
Let
lawyer.
me put you in the back of the ambulance. Let me check.
3-1, of course.
How old are you?
And then 2-1.
36? You have ID on you?
Stand by the cop from Juris Doctor entering the cat as a witness.
Waiting for family members to get here.
Not gonna help
Repeat.
anything.
2207.
What's that?
Did he take your blood pressure and things like that?
NJDO Alpha 964241.
You guys can go back.
079.
I'm not going to go back. He was brought here by the police, not by you.
852.
Well, I'm refusing, so it's
She
fine.
keeps holding her head sometimes. They love to talk about her.
3231
Should be a party out of Jersey City.
Girls like she was a boyfriend, husband or something. They probably had a good little chase with each other. And then he took off. I'm assuming she hit him. They go to the car, yeah.
She's waiting for other family members to get here. So we'll
Let's do
wait.
that.
We're here. We're up till...
It's not gonna. What's that? I know, sure. There we go.
Right. She got chased by an ex. We were at my place. We came outside. I was going to drive her home. We got a wedding tomorrow. I can show you the dress.
Dating, married? Or?
Yeah, we're dating. We're looking to get engaged. And I saw this guy. I taped it off. I know she's been threatened by a former. She was dating two different stalkers. One is a former NYPD. And that's why I said, fuck it. I'm putting my fucking camera. I choose my life. He hit me with the car. That's when he hit me with the car.
How did he hit you with the car?
I was trying to talk to him. I was standing.
This is a really messed up situation. So he's saying that her ex is like a former NYPD. I think they're in the Northeast in this video. And he was chasing her, and maybe that led to this accident. That's a little bit crazy. And she's obviously very hesitant, right, to press charges against him or do anything against him because of his perceived power and influence. So yeah, that's kind of a crazy wrinkle to this case. Just subscribe if you like getting a little legal analysis along with these body cam videos. All right, back to the video.
I was not, and then he just drove right into me.
Here when I got here, I thought he was the one she hit. I turned around to speak to her and he was gone. So.
I'm not condoning her driving or anything, but like it was not. She wanted to get out of there.
Was she drinking tonight?
What's that?
Was she drinking tonight?
Yeah. So it was never. I was taking her out to drive her home to 79th Street to North Bergen.
But this guy shows up for this.
Yeah. And you can watch.
He showed my other.
You get my chat?
Okay. Yeah. He just said that he was gonna.
Negative. I'm outside the car speaking with the individual. You need CCTV?
Why didn't he show up?
I don't know how he got. I don't know. You can check the North Bergen. I'll be honest with you. There was a problem with North Bergen a while ago. They found a tracker on the car and they said he's a cop. You know what they'll do to him? And that bothered me. So I feel Bergen County would treat it different than Hudson. Then she finally went and pressed charges, and they still tried to talk her out of it. She's afraid because don't take it the wrong way. You know what? Like she feels like there's nobody out to protect her.
You want to speak to these people in the ambulance?
Can I talk to her?
No, the ambulance.
I'll file a report. I'll press charges.
Press charges on who?
The gentleman.
What's his name?
Who he is?
Sorry, you good with the two witnesses going? I got their information on camera.
Priscilla.
Yes, sir. You know who he is.
I never met him, but I can tell you that she filed. No, it's got. Honey, you can't live this way. No, you can't live this way. She's afraid.
Please
She's threatened to kill her.
listen to me.
No,
Stop it.
I need the information. I'll call your brother. I'm calling your brother.
He doesn't. I'm Joseph.
No,
Stop.
Priscilla, this is beyond the point. You gotta.
Joseph, stop.
No, honey. It's
Stop
battered
it.
wife syndrome. Stockholm
Stop it.
syndrome.
Stop.
I'll get you a lawyer. We're working on it. No,
Stop.
no.
Stop. I'm begging you to stop.
I'm sorry.
I'm
not.
begging you to stop.
No, but you can't.
No.
A deal.
No. Joseph, please. I don't want anything. No, nothing.
Did you get a plate?
Listen
There was no plate on the front of the car, but you can look at the phone.
We'll get that from you. We'll get that from you.
No, it's not. I mean, honey, this is bad. Look at my face.
My face is
I mean, honey, you can't live that way. You can't live in fear of people. Her father's a preacher on Walker Street.
Stop it!
No, we're not.
Stop! Stop! Please stop!
She's afraid of the repercussions.
Please
No,
stop it.
she's not going to work. I'm sorry.
Stop it.
I know. She's been drinking tonight. It's fine.
But she was, I can show you her dress on the thing. I was driving her home, we were leaving her car. And we came out and his car was there. And then, I mean, that's why, like, I'll press charges.
What did you hit?
What's that?
What did you hit?
Honey, I'm going forward with this.
What did you hit?
47 Ackworth.
747.
Honey, look at my face. Look at my face.
Registration. A speeding incident that happened prior to this. That led to this accident. A white Audi was involved. The party operating the Audi is at GRCL. Apparently, this female party on scene has a restraining order active against him. We can just check all that out to confirm.
No, I'm not. No. Honey. What am I?
Why? Ma'am.
Priscilla.
Ma'am. Ma'am, relax.
Arrest me.
Relax.
Arrest me. Can I go home?
Not yet.
Then arrest me.
All right, we'll finish your house first.
You feel right, sir?
No, not yet. Detained. She's requesting a place her handcuffs.
Can I call her brother?
Sure. Go whoever you want. Stand there.
47, the plaintiff on this TRO is Medina.
You don't have to be afraid of people, Priscilla.
Sounds that way, according to the male whose deal I just sent
Is she
you.
on the job?
That's
I don't know.
story.
She had two stalkers. I don't know if it's the guy a deal or if it's the cop. But she went to North Bergen. You can check it.
North Bergen issued the TRO, the restraining order.
You're arresting
They
me.
did an original.
I'm detaining you right now for your safety.
Yeah, fuck you.
Oh, I want you to tell me.
No, I'm not gonna fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. Okay.
Okay. Do you have an active restraining order against a
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Okay. How much you got to drink tonight?
I'm sorry.